I want all of you to join me. All of you to join me. Come on, guys. 3 cheers for all the fighters that fought today. Hip, hip. Louder, louder. We've got to wake Colombo up. Hip, hip. The final fight of Fight Night 6!
Which is of course affiliated to Slit as well. Here we go, round 1, fight. Very measured start to the rounds. Both fighters
watching
leaving
each
some
other
gap,
carefully.
giving them some respect. Husni, the most seasoned fighter from the two, taking some time, measuring his opponent. Oh,
Ooh,
good high kick.
direct.
Oh,
Oh,
hey.
and he returns.
Husni returns.
Oh,
And here we
1,
go.
2.
That calm lasted 15 seconds into
15
the first
seconds,
round.
that's it. I don't think we're going to get any peace in this one.
We're definitely not getting it. We're in for an amazing treat. All right. Continuing. Here we go.
Ooh,
Husni with
Husni
a very
landed
solid
direct.
leg landing.
Followed up with a couple of punches.
Some good volleys coming in through in many fights. And those knees and kicks are, he has a lot of power behind those. Punches raining. Meshak not giving in either. Moving forward. Referee resetting, starting off again.
That's
We
crazy
saw 15
sportsmanship
seconds.
here.
Yeah, crazy. This is the beauty of the fight game. There's always respect on both sides.
Oh, but they keep going too.
They're not going to stop. They're not going to stop either. Meshak has been fighting as well, and we've seen his progression over the last few fights that he has taken up.
But from what I've seen so far, Meshak has a crazy ability to dodge, huh?
100%. Husni is taking his time, seeing whether his opponent gasses out, which is a good strategy as well, especially coming in from round 1. Give him some time, see whether he will gas out, whether he'll slow down.
Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Punch combinations landing to the middle. Husni taking his time. As I said, seasoned veteran, plenty of fights under his belt.
Oh,
A good kick to the head. Meshak returns the volley.
oh,
That kick landed clean. The corner is giving one instruction. Don't let in. Don't continue that volley and put on the pressure. Pressure mounting. Husni's punches are landing clean though, Sach.
Yeah, you're right.
And the first round comes to Royal MAS Arena. Onto the left. All good.
All good. All right, and the landing. Oh
Gavin
my gosh.
coming in for a friendly view of the fight. Okay, Meshak has been given a clear thing. Chase and attack.
ended. Oh, that was
kick
1,
landed well.
2. He
Meshak is
waiting for the
taking
third,
his
but it
time.
didn't land as hard.
Oh,
but
Husni is landing.
returns.
Husni is landing.
Oh, but lands 1.
This is youth versus
2.
experience. Head to head.
Oh, but those knees from Husni landed too.
Those knees are landing. And like I said, Husni is a veteran in the fight game. He knows how to push his pace. He knows how to balance it. And he's not giving in either.
He's got really strong knees. Look at that.
Correct. We need to see how round 3 goes, Sach. If this goes distance in round 2, round 3 is going to be the decider. Gas tank will be the decider in this fight.
I think I agree with you 100% because both fighters are returning almost 1 for 1 here.
Correct. It's too close to count. I mean, I think both fighters in both the rounds
what's that?
had a very interesting run. But those knees are landing. Oh. Meshak needs to be very careful of those kicks. Very careful of those kicks. Oh, walked into a knee there. Walked
Direct,
into a knee.
Yeah, it was continued.
Meshak is starting to breathe a bit heavier. He needs to watch his pace.
Ooh. Yeah.
Husni doesn't look tired at all, though.
He does not, and he's got crazy legs there. Look at that.
Husni in that clinch. Remember, this is cannot hold that clinch for long.
Meshak is going to have to land a really strong one here now.
Correct, correct. I can see Meshak slowing down very. He is becoming a bit more difficult.
Oh,
knee to the
and
stomach. A very strong knee to the
there we
stomach.
go.
Another
Two.
knee. Punches land into.
Oh, he got caught again.
Oh,
Oh,
that knee
that was a
landed
direct.
clean.
Correct. Meshak's tired. You can see it.
Experience is counting. Experience is coming in. Those knees are going straight to the head.
Meshak
he
is
is
still
not
trying
slowing
his best.
down.
Oh. Hey, Meshak is
returns.
trying his
Yeah,
best
he's
here.
trying his best. He's not giving in either. He is being pushed forward by Cass.
Ah,
Here it goes.
I think
this
we're
is
gonna
to
give
be
a count. Yeah,
Here
there we
comes the
go.
count. 1, 2, 3. The count has.
Meshak's coach giving
Corn
him
is shouting in and
directions.
out. Corn is shouting in and out.
Oh, but he got caught again.
Two quick punches. Those
Oh, he
knees are
got
landing
knees
as well. Husni is moving in slowly. Meshak look gassed out. Those swings are wilder and
All
round.
right, one.
Round is going to camp. That is in the form of Coach Fahid and IMA Iron Mark. In a very accurate description of it
Yep.
all. Here we go, round 3.
Oh, and
Started with a
Husni
massive
starting strong here.
You're going to expect a good pace in this round.
Meshak, I think Meshak has been given proper instructions.
Showboating is not a smart option with
Oh.
this fighter. Showboating
Two,
is not a
three.
smart option. Here it comes. The IMA fighter
Oh,
fight
that was
with
one kick
a
and one
lot-
punch. They all landed though.
Here we go again, resetting.
Oh. Meshak's punches landed, but I don't think he really did much.
But he didn't do much. He didn't do much at all. Meshak is definitely retired. He's slowing down. This is round 3. Round 3 is where it matters. I think another count is going. Here it goes. Another kick. The second count of the night.
They're gonna end up losing this round.
Yes. He's going to have to come back strong. Husni is just getting started. He's teeing off on those legs.
Oh, but
Meshak
he's
is
doing
swinging,
it.
But it's wild at the moment. All those kicks are scoring. Oh!
He got caught.
Got caught with a clean knee. Here we go. Another kick.
Husni 1, 2. I have a bad feeling about this one.
IMA is pulling ahead in this fight, but go. Husni on the hunt. Oh,
Oh,
punch
and there we go.
landed, rocking
He
him.
landed directly. I think it's over. It's over at
It
all.
is not looking good at
But-
all.
Man, Meshak can really go.
Husni smells victory. He's out for blood.
I take that back. I was so wrong. Come on.
He's trying his
Meshak
best.
going.
He's trying his best.
Even after all of that. Husni with one kick.
Those kicks are making a difference. Those kicks are affecting him.
Oh,
Oh. Another kick to the sternum. Push kick. Punches. Oh, knee landed clean again.
oh.
Another knee. Another
Husni's
knee.
got him.
Here it goes.
I think Husni's
Husni's
got him.
really
Oh,
landing
no,
it.
no.
Another knee
Meshak
in.
returns.
Husni is on point with these knees, and this fight is being pulled ahead by IMA. Meshak is extremely tired. He's gassed out. The punches are landing.
He keeps
There
missing
we
it.
go.
Yeah, I think that